Okay, and they do have any number of values that they use for closes these days. The regular I had 76.75. So I'm considering gap closed. Anybody played for gap? Great trade. We'd said use that 81 to 82 prior to the news. Let's use that, we said, as resistance. So today we nailed the high based on a number of ideas, and again, lucky guess, but the odds favored that. It was a little bit tricky this morning because normally you'd get a little bit longer playtime on the upside, but it did not. It didn't take the normal time it takes to come back. It just hit the target and then pull back. And so anybody's taking two shots at the short side, figuring that this is a contra to the 2-day push. Again, saying this 76 is the most important idea, testing 75.5 to 74 is a good fortune part, and below that, a home run. Coming back into rising moving averages, and this is that late afternoon push in the afternoon that we're now testing. Perfect test, 75.5. Great call, Zeke. We said possibility of testing 74, and if we break that, then the 71 becomes available. But I'm going to think conservatively and think small. If you get into 75 to 74, make sure you are paid. Great trade. And we said, let's use 72, key idea of support. 74, bingo. Stops down. Trail is all. It's a beautiful trade. Look back in the notes, I said that we could test this 74. It looked like a big hole in here. That's one of the things that I look for if we take out the low. I said, first things first, if we can't get back to 75, it'll be a long day. All right, it still may be a long day. But I like this trade to come back into the 74s. We'll go back and we'll look at a couple of the charts, and I'll show you why.